Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our first chapter, that is the integers. In previous video already we have discussed about that different properties of integers in addition, subtraction and multiplication. Same as it, students, today we are going to discuss about that. First of all, division of integers. You know that students, division is a repeated subtraction, but in the integer cases how we will do that division, today we are going to learn. And what is the property of division, what are the properties are satisfied in division, we are going to learn in this video. So students, only one thing you have to remember, while you are doing the division of integers, just you should remember about that sign, positive sign and about the negative sign. If the same sign of the two integers are there, that time you generally ignore about the sign and just division you do as a whole numbers, okay, and don't put any sign. That means the result is positive, okay, when two integers are same sign, both integers dividend and a divisor, both integers are same sign, at that time the quotient always positive. But when both integers are the opposite signs, that means different sign, one is plus, one is minus, at that time the quotient, the result always negative. Did you remember students? Same sign whenever we are dividing, at that time the result or that quotient is positive. When the different sign we are dividing, at that time the result or the quotient is negative. That if you remind, then as usual whole numbers are how like you are dividing, bus that like you have to do, and the sign always you have to give attention. Okay? So now let us start about that, what is that division. So for that one rule I have made students here, you can remember division minus positive always, plus plus divide you will do positive, plus division minus negative, minus division plus is negative. That means same sign always positive in division cases. ठीक है, whenever we will do division, same sign always positive, different sign always negative. ठीक है, this is one rule and this is one rule. If you remember, then it is very easy to do the problem solve, to do the division. Now students, I have an example I have written, you can easily solve it. First this 240, what is the sign of the 240? The 240 sign is positive or plus, and 10 it is sign also plus, so both are sign plus, so you have to ignore the sign about just a whole number like a division do. So 240 division 10 means 0 to 0, if you will cancel like that, you will go, the answer will come, what is that, 24. Yes, so easy it is. Now you observe that students, both are, this is a positive value we got. Now same like students, this observe, this is negative, this is also negative, so answer compulsory will get positive, and 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. This is our answer. ठीक है, the positive value will get, because both are negative, so answer positive, both are positive, so answer positive. Now 360 divided minus 10, so one is positive, one is negative, so answer compulsory will come negative. Remember the students, one is positive, one is negative, then the answer always will be negative, and 360 divided by 10 is equal to 36, so minus 36. So now here you students, you should observe that both the sign first, the answer will come, minus is there, here plus there, so compulsory direct you write the minus, then after division do. So 400 divided by 10 is equal to 40, so this is minus 40. So did you understand students? I have given this is positive positive, so answer positive, here negative negative, answer positive, here positive and negative, answer negative, and negative positive, so answer negative. So what did you understand? When same sign you are dividing, at that time that answer will come what, positive. Also you have studied in the multiplication also, same sign whenever we are multiplying, at that time the answer will come, product will be positive. When the different sign you are multiplying, at that time the product is negative. Same like students, when the two same sign we are dividing, the answer always positive. When the two different sign you are doing the division, at that time the answer is negative. Okay, now we are going for the properties. Students, you have studied that closure property, commutative property, associative property. Yes, you have studied that already. So but today we will division cases of how it is satisfied or not, we have to see. The closure property does not satisfy in division for integers. Students, closure property क्या बोलते? When we are doing the two integers, we are adding that two integers, or subtracting two integers, or we are multiplying two integers, then that should be an integer. But in the case of division, it is not satisfied. In the case of division, the integers are not satisfied in the closure property. Why? Observe that students, 3 division 7 is 3/7, which is not an integer. हमें इंटीजर होना है, होगा तो इट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, बट इंटीजर नहीं हो रहे, इट इज ए रेशनल नंबर आ गया, तो दिस इज नॉट ए व्हाट this is not satisfied that closure property. Next, not commutative. Commutative will also not satisfied. How? A division B is not equal to B division A. हमेशा 3 divided by 7, what is the value will come? 7 divided by 3, it value same not. So we'll tell, suppose 20 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 division 20. 20 division is equal to कहते हैं how much? 4. This is how much? 1/4. So 4 is not equal to 1/4. So commutative law also is not satisfied in division. Associative property, already I have told, if any numbers not satisfy commutative, that problems does not satisfy also associative. So associative property does not satisfy in division for integers. A division B division C not equal to A division B division C. हमें जो if you do solve it, this problem never be equal both sides. ठीक है. And property of a 0. Students, you know 0 is divided by A is equal to what is that? 0. याद रखो. लेकिन 0 sorry something is divided by 0 A cannot define. Okay. Just remember students, suppose 50 division 0. What is that answer? Undefined. Okay. लेकिन 0 divided by 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so 0 divided something is equal to 0. Something divided by 0 cannot define. That is called as a infinite or undefined. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that, what is the division of integers and what are the properties, whether it is satisfied or not, we have studied. Next we will discuss about that for your homework, exercise 1.4. okay, you have to complete and you have to send through my WhatsApp. Thank all of you, have a nice day.